Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I made a video 4 days ago on how to create TextNow account, which is I think 4 days ago. Basically some of you said if all the TextNow cannot last longer than 1 hour, it will get banned, or if you create yours, it won't reach a day, it will get banned. But here is the talkathon I created. Sorry. If you let's open it. So this is the test now. I created it on Wednesday, and as of here, today is Saturday. So the talker test now is still working fine. So if you also want yours to last this long, don't forget to watch the video carefully. And also, for some of you have not watched the video, or you still watch the previous video and you don't get it, you can ask me to do another video and I will do another video creating another one again. So that's all for this video, and see you again